Now we're going to show in SkyTracker Pro how to update the tower database so that it shows up the most up-to-date range of towers. Firstly, let's open up SkyTracker Pro. And in this case, I have no towers loaded, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and type in FAA DOF. This is for the FAA's Digital Obstacle File Database. Click on the very first link that you probably see, and that will take you to the FAA's DOF website. As you can see here, they update it according to this every 56 days, which I guess will be roughly a quarter, and down here will be the latest updated files. So we're going to grab the latest one, which looks like is for April 19th, 2020. So let's click on that link and let it download. And once we have this file downloaded, I'm just going to move this up to our desktop here so we can see it. Once we have this file, we just need to extract it. I have WinRAR, but use whatever program you have to extract zip files. And we'll create a folder that contains a lot of data files. Now, the data file that we're going to look for is the one that's marked for our state. In this case, I'm looking for Florida, so 12-FL.dat, because I won't need any digital obstacle file information for, say, Kansas or Iowa or any of these other states. So, now that we have this, let's go back into SkyTracker. If we were to go to Towers, and then select Import from FAA, and point it over to this directory that we just extracted to, we should be able to point it over towards the Florida file in this case, and then hit Open. Now it's going to grind on that for a moment as it's trying to parse it out. And you should get a done message here. Press OK, and now you'll notice that we have towers showing up on our screen. Now this isn't just towers, this is everything that's covered in the digital obstacle file, so that'll be things like water tanks, phone lines, ridiculously tall trees, buildings, all sorts of things. And their altitude should be marked above. However, you'll also notice that you'll see what looks to be like a heat map type design, where you have a symbol with a number in the center of it. That's indicating that we are zoomed out so far that we can't show the individual, like in this case right here, 135 obstacles that are in the way. As we zoom in, they become more and more apparent. So as you can see right here, we have a whole bunch of them. As a matter of fact, right here, we have a very, very short one that's only listed at 4 feet. If you were to know this area, you would also realize by the map right there that this is the Orlando Sanford International Airport. So around airports, even low obstacles have to be noted. But there you go. We now have a loaded tower set. If you were to close out of SkyTracker at the moment and open it back up again, it may take a moment now to load all these towers. However, it will load them. And there they are. So that's how you load towers onto your SkyTracker map.